Maofisi mothe ma thirikari, all the public institutions tutigirire ati ciothe ni ciandika andu aitu gicunji kia 70 nigetha andu aitu magie na mawira no cio ti undu mugeni.
Watho nie ndiwetereire muno ukinye metha-ini yakwa ndi ucaine nigetha anake aitu monage gwa kwandikwo wira.
Ni kumana na ndereti ino iria tumite kamiti ya urumwe na kihoto NCIC irurie mataikiregana na ikinya ria bunge ya Kiambu ya kuhitukia watho uria urendekithagia kambuni riri kaunti ino kwandika gicunji kia 70 kia aikari a kuma guku.
We as a commission strongly condemn the motion by the Kiambu County Assembly that will set a bad precedence in the country. The motion, therefore, by the County Assembly of Kiambu should be declared null and void.
And if they don't comply, by the way, we, as I said, we are going to give them an advisory. If they don't comply, we are at liberty to go to court against them.
Kuringana na Kaparo ikinya ri niri kurehe muthutukanio wa nduriri itiganite na akoria ene kambuni icio matikahibirie ritana riri.
We urge the public, the employees and the employers to ignore the motion passed by the said assembly. The Constitution places responsibility of equity, non-discrimination, equity, fair play, transparency, accountability, diversity, and meritocracy on not only the national government but also all the 47 county governments. As such, county governments have a constitutional and legal obligation to promote national values, including harmonious relations.
Idini riu Kaparo ni ugite bunge itiganite cia county ikoretwo igitaura uru kihengere kia 65 kiria kiramataga wandikani county-ini.
The effect of Section 65(1)(e) is to ensure that the minority and marginalized communities within the county are guaranteed representation within the county public service as opposed to reserving positions for the dominant ethnic community within the county.
No na gukire uguo aikari ya county ya Kiambu ni marutite mawoni ngurani megie watho uyu.
Our people themselves are spread all over the country, not just in the country, even outside the country. So we should always be at the forefront to take possession that actually we are ready to live and coexist with other people.
We, the business community, are opposed to such an idea because it is not supported by any law.
Ica ikuhe kaunti ya Kilifi ni rathugundite riciria otariu no kuringana na mukano wa NCIC iria hota kuringa ihiga.
It is stupid to try to divide Kenyans on ethnic lines. It is stupid to bring hatred between different communities living in Kenya. It is stupid to try to create a society that hates itself. Please tell them. Please tell them.
Governor wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu ni ahinyirie na kuga no agekira kirore watho ucio wona wahitukio ni bunge. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ni njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.